Hi guys, welcome to Websense Pro. Welcome to another Shopify how-to video. So I created a video earlier about how to make your image banner clickable. So when you add image banner from your Shopify store customized setting, it does not have an option to make it clickable. I taught you guys and there were a lot of requests on that video to create a video for the similar functionality to add clickable image slideshows. So Shopify has slideshows section, but it does not have the feature to make the image clickable. You can add the button above those images, above the slideshow images, but it is not clickable. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can make image slideshow clickable for the whole slideshow image. So this is my development store and I have an image slideshow added. That's the image slideshow which you get in all of the 14.0.0 theme. Dawn, Sense, Refresh, Color Block, all of the theme have this slideshow, right? But there is no feature to make the whole image clickable. There is no way to do that without making code changes. And I'm going to show you guys how you can do that on your own without needing for any developer. So this feature is really useful if you have the collection images where you have image title, where you have collection title mentioned on the images and you don't want any button over it or any title on top of those images. So for example, this first image of the slideshow is going to the about page when I click on that. And the second image which I have is going to a different page, which is the collection page of all products collection. So it's going to the all products collection page. And similarly, the third image is going on a separate page. So if I move to the third image, this one is going to a different collection. So it's a watch collection, right? You can also have that feature on your Dawn 14.0.0 after following this tutorial which I have created for you guys. So make sure to subscribe this channel because I have created a lot of functionality additional videos for the Shopify Dawn theme and a lot of other themes. Make sure to subscribe our channel if you want to see all of those other videos. As you can see on my development store, I have this video showing up on my main section. This video is currently on loop, so Shopify doesn't have that feature. If you add a video through Shopify, it won't be working continuously. You'll have to click a button in order to play the video which you add through Shopify default functionalities. Also, if you take a look at the header, it's a transparent header. It looks cool. Obviously, you can see that on my development store. It's looking really awesome. You can add that feature as well for free. You can check out the blog and check out the link in the description to add the transparent header as well. Also, I have this mega menu tutorial which you can create without using any app. You don't have to pay anything. All you have to do is just watch the video and implement it on your Dawn theme, Fresh theme, Sense theme, or whatever theme you're using. Make sure it's a free theme because it's not going to support on the paid version of the theme. I have created this tutorial for free themes of Shopify which are available in Shopify theme store. And you can add this stylish, cool looking animated images for your store. Okay, let's start implementing our tutorial where we will add the option to make the images of the slideshow clickable. Okay, now we can do that. Now let's go to the backend of my store. So that's the theme where I have already implemented this. What I'm going to do, I'll install a fresh Dawn theme. So I'm going to scroll down and then click on Add Dawn. Okay guys, while this theme is being installed, there's a link in the description where you can sign up for your Shopify store just for $1 a month. Yes, you heard it right. You won't be paying $29 a month. You'll just pay $1 a month. Limited time offer. So make sure to sign up using the link below. So guys, a fresh Dawn 14.0.0 has been installed. Now let's publish that. Click on publish. Click on publish again. Okay, now let's go to customize and also open up the preview by clicking on these three small dots. So I'm going to close the old tab and that's the block which we'll be following in order to implement our slideshow clickable. So if I go to customize and click on add section and then search for slideshow, And in the slideshow, we don't have the option to make this clickable. Obviously, we can add the button within this container, but only this button will be clickable. And it's very useful if you have an image with the text within the image and you don't want this container showing up on your slideshow. So let's remove this container here. So uncheck this to remove the container, remove the button label to hide the button, remove the description, and remove the text as well. Now we will be adding image link option here. So when someone click on the image, it will take us to the page or wherever we want to take it. Do the same thing with the second slideshow. So, oops, sorry about that. Now I'm going to remove the heading, remove the description button label, and remove the container as well for the second slideshow. Now, both of the slide does not have any container. Let's add in the image as well. So for the first slide, let's choose the image. Let's select any of the image from our already uploaded images. So I'm going to add in this image here on our first slide. And on the second slide, let's add another image. Scroll down. Let's add in this image just to show you guys. Okay, now what we will do some code changes and make these images clickable, and we will have option in customize to change the page of the image, right? So let's open up the code editor, click on these three small dots and then click on edit code. I'm going to open that in a new window. Now from the code editor, we will find slideshow.liquid. So that's our file. Under section folder, slideshow.liquid, open that up. And now let's go to our instructions. In our slideshow.liquid file, we will search for this code. So let's search for this code. Press Command F, Command V, and then click on next. So here we have the code, and above that code, we will add a line break and copy this code here. So click on copy code and paste the code here. Perfect, hit save. And now let's add in the schema code to show that on our customize settings. And for the schema, within the same file, we'll search for image picker schema. So let's search for image underscore picker. I'm going to copy that, find it, paste it, and hit next. Okay, so that's our code. And after this comma here, we will add a line break and then paste this code here. So copy this code and then paste the code and then hit save. And that's it. Now we have the option in our customize setting to display the image link, to add the image link, right? Now let's go to customize and hit refresh. And now here we have the option of image link. So we can add a different image link for each image. So let's first add the link to the first slideshow image. So that's our first slideshow image. Click on this image link field here, and I'm going to link it to about page just to show you guys. So here's my about page, and I'm going to do the same for the second slideshow. So there's the second slide and an image link. Let's click on that and then link it with a different page. Let's link it to the contact page. Click on contact and then hit save. Perfect. Now let's test it out. Go to our home page, hit refresh. Scroll down where we have our slideshow. So that's our slideshow. So the first image is going to the about page. If I click on the image, and now let's test the second image. So that's our second image. Click on the second image and it's going to the contact page. Cool, right? So that's it for the tutorial, guys. If you like it, let me know in the comments below. And if you have more requests, let me know in the comment as well. Until next video, have a great day.